Understanding the chakras. Within each of us flows a beautiful system of energy known as the chakras, 7 energy centers that guide our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. At the base of the spine is the Root Chakra, the energy of safety, stability, and belonging. At the navel rests the Sacral Chakra, the center of creativity, emotion, and the flow of life. At the upper abdomen lives our solar plexus chakra, the spark of inner light, personal power, and collective healing. In the center of the chest is the heart chakra, where love, compassion, and connection expand outward. At the throat chakra helps us speak our truth, express our authentic voice, and listen with intention. Between the eyebrows lies the third eye chakra, the gateway of intuition, wisdom, and inner knowing. And at the crown of the head shines the Crown Chakra, connecting us to faith, higher consciousness, God, or Source. However we connect with the divine light that shines in all of us. When these energy centers are balanced, we feel grounded, open, and aligned, body, mind, and spirit. The chakras remind us that healing is not something we chase. It's something we allow to flow within. Keep healing. For more information on the chakras and self-healing, I invite you to visit our website at earthwhisperinghealing.com.